This is us coming down one of the streets to get to our house, and you're about to see the amount of rain that we've been dealing with. Outside of the fact that the lake behind our house has rose about 5 feet, we're getting ready to go through Road Lake right now.
This is scary.
And here we go, and this is it. This is about 1.5 feet, approaching 2 feet at its deepest point. Okay, now we're going to pass a car. No. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This truck ain't gonna get stranded, lady, I hate to tell you.
What's going on up here? Are we going to be able to get through?
I don't know. Okay, now we're going to start Lake 2. And,
okay.
Oh yeah, we're going right around the corner here.
Oh,
okay,
good.
Here's Lake 2.
Oh my God.
Sorry, buddy. Keep your door shut.
We live right up the hill.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
It's hard. Oh my God, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it home.
Okay, now we're coming out.
Oh my God.
Coming out of the second lake, and we're home. This is our house. Right?
And we are home
Right
until
there.
the water recedes. Because I don't know if we can get out anywhere this way.
And we're home. That was exciting.